Hello and welcome to Before the Great Snowfall of 2019. Before we begin, let's take a trip into the land of a week from now and see just how much snow I'm talking about. Yeah, I'll be honest with you guys, it's like this everywhere right now around where I live. You might be thinking this will make amazing Airsoft content, but in reality, I already cannot see where my singular BBs are flying, and the wind that comes with snowfall is totally messing with me. My shots are just flying all over the place. Now this doesn't mean I won't airsoft in the snow. Hell no, I freaking love the snow. It just means I won't use my SSG-24 in the snow, more than likely. Wink wink, nudge nudge. Basically, there's going to be no airsoft this coming week. However, the week after and onward, we are back in action, ready to go, regardless of weather. Now, no more talking, let's just jump into this week's video. Enjoy.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
What the fuck was that shit?
Yeah, I see. I got him.
Which way is the wind going? The medic's gonna come get him there! I don't know what the wind is. Hey, listen up! What's up? What's the problem? Smoke? You can smoke, just don't throw it by the cabin. Open the window! It'll work, but it won't give you like sugar. Thank you. Are they still? We have the downstairs. Yeah.
We have downstairs, yeah.
We have downstairs. Get in through that door. Go, go, go!
Go in through the back door.
Open! Go through the side door, guys! Lights up front! Lights up front! Clear out! Clear out! Hold on, Woo! Upstairs! 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 Upstairs!
What? I'm so confused.
Kudos to that guy for surviving that long and somehow running out of the building and shooting me in the head. Well done.
What, behind the yellow tape, right?
No, more you're 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Do we have a stretcher?
I've heard nothing about the stretcher yet.
Alright guys, that's all I've got. I'm super hyped for the next Airsoft video I've got planned after this one, but until then, try and keep your BBs on target. Hey there, how's it going? Good to hear. Now listen, if you click that bell and get notified for all my future videos, I will eat this stick of deodorant. Don't think I won't do it. I will. I'll do it.